Hello guys, and welcome to the Test Alarm System and Electric YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be doing a monthly fire alarm test on the Esmi FDP panel outside here in my shed and on the FDP panel in the house. I will start off with doing a system test or a monthly test on the panel right here. And a monthly test is done by giving this quick display test. A monthly test is done by giving the panel a lamp test or display test in this case. And just to make it a bit more special, we're gonna do a little sounder sound as well in here. You shouldn't actually do a sounder test in a monthly fire alarm test, but I'm gonna do it in this case anyways because it gets so boring otherwise. Because here in Sweden, a monthly fire alarm test is just doing a lamp test, and I do not remember all the things. I think it only was a lamp test, which is a bit boring maybe. So just gonna do the sounders as well, just to make it a bit more special. We're gonna see how we're gonna do it in the house. Maybe I'll do the sounders there. We have to see. Well, let's get into it. So firstly, let's open the panel up and just give it a quick lamp test. Yes, that's it for the lamp test. Now let's do a quick sound test. I'm gonna activate the sounders through the panel because if I press a call point or activate the smoke, the fire alarm system in the house will also go off because these two systems are connected, or at least this one is connected to that system over there. Here's the transmitter. So let's just do a quick sound test through the panel, which doesn't activate that thing. Let's see. Yeah, here we go.
Viktigt meddelande. Viktigt meddelande. Brand har utbrutit i byggnaden. Lämna omedelbart byggnaden genom närmaste utgång. Attention please. Attention please. Fire has been reported in the building. Please leave the building immediately through the nearest exit.
That's it for the sound test here. Now I'm gonna activate the sounder that sits in the little house right there separately, so I don't have to sound off these sounders in here because they sound quite a lot, and I don't really want to get attention from the neighbors because they aren't really that nice. Yeah, alright. Let's see. Here, I'm gonna activate the sounder. You can hear it from here, so I believe it's working, but I'll go show the sound anyways. And it's loud. Alright. And the sound is also work, so that's all good. Now let's just note it down into the logbook. So here we go. Just noted today's date. It's the 1st of July today. And yeah, nothing really failed. Just noted that it needs some new floor fans out here, but I'll do that later in my spare time when I have time for that stuff. Alright, well, that is the system done. Now let's move on to the house system. And here we've got the Siemens Sinteso panel for the house system. This is the panel that runs the house system in here, which is interlinked with the system outside in the shed, as you just saw outside. Now we're gonna do a quick lamp test on this, and we cannot really do a sounder test because it is currently 10 past 10 in the evening, so I can't really do a test because I think everyone's asleep. So I'm just gonna do a lamp test and show some devices on the system, and yeah, we'll probably do a system test in the future, but not right now. So for you all that haven't seen this panel, this is a Siemens Sinteso system and panel. It's branded Siemens, which I'm quite sure everyone is familiar with. And devices are also brand Siemens. It's also addressable, so it is not a conventional system. It's a very common system here in Scandinavia. I don't know if it is in, I believe it is in like Germany and maybe in some other parts of Europe as well, but I'm not quite sure if this exists in the UK. Oh well, enough talk. Let's do a lamp test on this panel and let's move on after that. As you all saw, some of the lights have two colors, as these ones right here and some of these. I do not know when, for example, green lights up here. I have no clue. I've only seen red and yellow, but yeah, I think you can change that in the program, but I do not have the program. You need to be a certified technician to have the program, which I am not, so I can't really do that. Well, we did a lamp test, which is actually quite enough for the monthly farms test here in Sweden. We do not require anything more than just a quick lamp test. But I'll show something more anyways, because I think it's a bit boring. Alright, we're just gonna do a quick fire test, so I'm gonna disable the sounders because I don't want to awaken anyone. So let's just press a call point somewhere. I think I'm gonna press the one outside here. This one over here. I can't find my filling key. Here. Can hear the panel going off. Now the door should be unlocked. Yeah, exactly. And here's the panel. Currently on fire. Let's silence the buzzer. You can see call point. It says in Swedish, so you probably cannot read it, but yeah. We have a flashing light that indicates that, I don't think you can see it on camera, but it indicates that it's this building here that is into fire and not the other one. If the white one flashes, that means the other building, the shed, has a fire alarm going off, and if only the red one flashes, it means this fire alarm is going off. Now, well, usually we'd press this button here to silence the sounders, or this one, doesn't really matter, and I just reset it, but now there are no sounders because I disabled them. If you want to see a quick system test of this system, you can see this video right here. It's on the screen right now. I do a quick system test in that video. However, let's acknowledge it, and now we reset it. There we go. And enable sounders again. This right here is also a Scandinavian key switch. These key switches exist in every single panel, at least here in Scandinavia. Here we have a panel, also has the Scandinavian key. This key is used by the fire brigade to access every single panel to operate basic functions as silence and reset. It also works on several gates, like those road gates and stuff, so they can open them. And it also works for these cabinets here, where the floor plans and the logbook is in, which I'm currently going to take and just do a quick note that I did a system test, or a monthly test. So, and that's it for the logbook. Now let's put this back, and the test is actually done here. So, if you guys want to see anything else from this panel, like a system test or something, you have a question, just leave it down in the comments. I will probably answer it or make a video about it. And that's about it for this video. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.